Hi, in today's class, we'll discuss the differentiation of a constant and a function from the first principle. So we can paraphrase the topic to be the first principle differentiation of a constant and a function. So let's say we have the function y equals au, where u is a function of x. Remember this sentence, where u is a function of x. If u is a function of x, then we have to find the y, the x. That is our focus. How do we go about it? From our formula method, we're told that dy dx is equal to a du dx. So let us use first principle to verify this. Going to the next slide, we have y equals au. So from first principle, I'll not bother myself discussing the steps again because I've already done justice to that in our previous lecture on the first principle differentiation. So to do this, we have y plus dy equals a into u plus du. If I open my bracket, I have y plus dy is equal to au plus a du. Taking y to the other side, I have dy is equal to au plus a du, then minus y. What then is the value of y from our initial question? Our initial question, which is over here. We said y equals au. So if we substitute the value of y into this equation that we have over here, we have that the y is equal to au plus a du minus au. Of course, this will cancel out and I'll be left with dy equals a du. What then is our next step? The next step, of course, is to divide through by dx. Remember, our focus is to find the y, the x. If I divide through, I have the x over the x. Now, taking the limit of the left-hand side, I have the limit of the y over the x as the x tends to 0 is equal to the full differential of the function. And this gives me the y, the x will finally become a du dx. And if we compare these, we have over here to our initial derivative here, you realize that they are the same thing. So invariably, the differentiation of a constant and a function is simply the multiplication of the constant and the derivative of the function. And that is it. With this, we've come to the end of this class on the first principle differentiation of a constant and a function. See you in our next class, where we will discuss about the addition and subtraction of functions from first principle. See you there.